Meaning of Durham.
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 Durham. Durham is a city in northeast England, located on the River Ware. The name Durham comes from the Old Norse language and means island hill. This is because the city is situated on a peninsula of land that is surrounded by the River Ware on three sides. Durham is known for its famous cathedral, which is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and one of the finest examples of Norman architecture in Europe. The city is also home to Durham University, one of the top universities in the UK.